Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say some of we think say some sin better than some other sin. But when you think, you think say some sin better than some sin. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure, say you don't miss none of what I go on right as so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me I go read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthian them, chapter 6, from verse 1 to verse 11. If none of you a quarrel and a fight with one of your church brother or sister, you could have really mad enough for carry them go court instead of make God people sort it out. You know say God people are go judge the world. And if you go judge the world, you think say you can manage to sort out little argument them where you have amongst one another. You know say we are go judge the angel them. So then, we don't must can deal with them little sitting here where happen on earth. So when you have problem in a church and people are quarrel with them one another, you go pick people when you have nothing to do with church to sort out the matter. Me I say this for shame, you know mean for say that nobody know them amongst you were wise enough to deal with them sitting here. But somebody will believe in a God, carry one another somebody will believe, go court. Worse carry them go in front of one judge we no believe in a God. The fact say you have to carry on one another go court for sort out on a problem them. Show say you not live like how God want you to live. You not think it better for somebody do you wrong. You not think it better for somebody thief from you. No, instead of that, a thief and a do wrong. Worse, a do it to own brother and sister. No know say the wicked now go have no part in a God kingdom. Nobody fool on yourself. The people them will take part in all kind of sexing and we worship false God. Nah go take part in a God kingdom. People will sleep with people they not married to. People will sell them body for money. Man will sleep with man and woman will sleep with woman. Them nah go see God kingdom at all. But I know them one. People will thief. People will wanty. People will ever get drunk. People will take them mouth, tear down other people. And people will trick people, forget their money. Not even one of them are going to take part in a God kingdom neither. And a them the kind of people some of you used to be. But God did wash you and make you clean. Him send him Holy Spirit for talk to your heart. So that our Lord Jesus Christ could have turned one. And when you turn one, him take away your sin. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.